How to use Bath and Body Works promo codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Bath and Body Works promo codes. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to head over to bathandbodyworks.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, explore the website and add the items you want to purchase in your bag. For this, click on the Add to Bag option. Now, click on the bag icon and now you can proceed to check out. In order to check out, you will have to enter your shipping address. Now scroll down and here you have the promotion code section. You can only use one code at a time per order. Now you want to enter the promo code on this box. If you don't have a promo code, you can open up another tab and head over to couponfollow.com. Find your preferred deal and click on the show coupon code option. Now click on the copy option. Go ahead and paste the promo code you have entered, then click on the apply option. If the promo code you have entered is valid, it will be successfully redeemed. Now you can place your order and in this way you can use the Bath and Body Works promo code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.